Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a really quick video and give you a couple useful phone numbers. Now this is an app that was introduced to me by an outreach worker. It's called Pocketwell, and I want to give you the phone numbers in the app. This is a Canadian app, so it'll work in Canada. If you're outside of Canada, I'm sure they probably have a similar app, or they might have one for outside of Canada. This is adult phone counseling available 24/7. It says connect with a trained counselor free of charge. Learn more about what happens when you call. And the number is 1-866-585-0445. And then they have youth counseling available 24/7. Connect with a trained counselor free of charge. Learn more about what happens when you call. Call 1-888-668-6810. And they also have resources, wellness resources, substance use resources, get help now. Adults text wellness to 741-741. Youth text wellness to 686-868. Frontline workers text frontline to 741-741. Indigenous people's phone can also call Hope for Wellness at 1-855-242-3310. Indigenous Peoples Chat online. Visit hopeforwellness.ca to connect with a counselor online. If someone you care about is in distress, to speak with a professional counselor who can offer support, call 1-866-585-0445. So those are some very useful phone numbers and resources for Canadians. And again, the app is called Pocketwell. Alright, so now I'm in the Play Store, and this is what the app looks like. It's got a Canadian maple leaf as the icon, and it's called Pocketwell Stepped Care Solutions. And it was last updated April 18th, 2023. But this is an excellent app that was recommended to me by an outreach worker, and I definitely recommend it to anyone and everyone who's had struggles in their life with trauma or anything like that.